G'day guys. So we're out here off Port Hacking, trying to fish for snapper. Trying to fishing with good friend George, his son Michael. Hello guys.
How's it going?
Yeah, so we've come out here. It's a bit of a strong sou'wester. So we decided to anchor up. With your snapper fishing, it's really important if you're anchored up that you create a burley trail. So what we're doing, we're just cutting these pilchards into small cubes and just throw one over every 10 to 30 seconds. Just as long as that cube is out of sight, and chuck another one in. You don't want to over burley and you don't want to stop the trail. And then you just keep doing that. And we're just anchored up on just like a light reef here. And we're just going to see what we can come up with. So we've picked up a fish already that's come up the burley trail. Fishing off Sydney is hard as it is, but we'll keep plugging away, keep you updated. What do you got there, Martin?
Oh, I got a nice little snapper with a little penny.
Yeah, it's worth a measure.
Good start for the day.
Yeah, good start. The burley is starting to work.
Now.
What's the right species?
Right colour.
Yeah.
31 centimetres.
31 is a keeper.
Yeah.
Pretty good, mate. Something good.
Maybe Michael's got to go up the neck.
Just a big old man. Yeah, you can crack a couple of fillets off that.
Good for fish soup.
Fish soup, eh?
Mum loves
Alright guys, so the rig's pretty simple. I use a 2-hook rig. You can use gang of 3s as well.
Yep.
And the sinker just goes is sliding straight to the hooks.
Yep.
And you just change the sinker size based on the current. Generally what we'd like to do is have the line sort of floating down at approximately like a 45-degree angle. So when we put the pilly on, it's just a simple matter of putting the first hook. If you have a 3-way gang, you'll put the third hook further back. But what you want is the first hook there to be in the eye. So I just put it through the back like that, into the backbone, and then the second hook just through the eye. Right, so he sits like that. Right, if you had a third hook, it'd be further back down. Okay. So when we're fishing with this setup, it's just a matter of just dropping your bait in and literally keep your bow arm open. Okay? And you're controlling, just by holding the line, you're controlling the flow of the pilly down the burley trail.
Okay.
Right, now it's important that we just keep that burley trail consistent.
Yep.
So if the fish are a bit slow, we generally speed up the burley trail, so we put more pilchards in. As the fish come on the bite, we slow it down, but we keep it going. Right, and so it becomes a job for everyone on the boat to make sure that burley trail is consistent.
Yep.
So like I said, you hold the line like that, open bow arm,
yep,
and you just let it go.
Just let it go.
Just keep letting it go.
Okay.
And what you're trying to simulate is your bait going down, looking like your burley, as naturally as possible.
Okay. Good idea.
If you don't get a bite and you've reached a long length of line, bring it back, do it again. Just keep doing that. We're battling the tangles.
I'm looking for now headlights.
Headlights. Nice. Serves a measure that way. Hey.
Boy, you don't.
What? They just don't. There you go, Mark. It was actually caught in the
What do?
Michael's on. Oh. Yeah.
Caught your mum.
Michael's on again. Fishing of Sydney. Also another snap. It's a good sign because I mean,
Well, there's little
they're
ones,
not-
there's big ones.
it's not the size we want. Definitely. More species. I'll put brown. This feels like a better fish. It looks like snappery.
Yeah, it's good. I'll taste it.
Oh, freaking good. My leg on. Oh, yes. Nice.
How did your leg come off now?
I took it off because I'm
Why
in
you taking your
pain.
leg off a fishy? I ain't dead. No, one time I'm climbing this fish, Dad. Yeah?
It's yours. So you get a few of those. That's a nice size.
I'm
Medium
happy
size.
with that, you know. Fuck you.
Try to come. What do you reckon? That's about 45?
Yeah.
Forty centimeters. Yeah. Perfect eating size, man. That'll go well in
What bite did you have on that?
squid.
Go Carlo.
Head shakes.
Yeah, it's got head shakes. He's taking drugs. Let's see what we got. Probably a big bag.
No,
Yeah,
it's
it's
not.
alright. You can eat them. I want to see.
Don't know. Yeah, it's got some head shakes there with it, but it might. Probably like a 10-kilo rock cod. Yeah.
And what bait were you using there?
It's a long way out.
Were you holding your rod or was it in the holder?
No, I was holding it. Wait, eh?
Any colour
I
yet?
haven't picked up other lines, that's all. No colour yet.
They hook it up.
Yeah.
What is it? A colourless fish?
That's all right. Should be able to, I'll just step back a bit. We got colour.
Snap up, man.
We got colour.
Oh wow. What a beauty.
And
Oh,
I got rod.
Oh, yes.
We have snapper.
Beautiful.
And a lot of lines.
Yes. Okay.
So I might have to cut my line.
Well done.
Thanks, mate.
Very nice.
That's a good Sydney snapper.
That's a beautiful size snap. I'm happy with that. Alright, what I'll do. Beautiful. Very good. So you guys think is your sickest supposed to be like that?
Thanks for the trip, boys.
Hey, most welcome.
Thanks, George.
Anytime.
Michael.
Anytime, bro. Thank you.
Yeah, it was good. You know, we didn't get as many stabs as we wanted, but we got a few. Just nothing to cry home about, but you know, and a few rock cod for the mother-in-law. Oops, shouldn't say that. Yeah, mate, you didn't hear that. Yeah, we're heading back to the ramp. We'll catch you on the next episode. Peace out.